Clear prop.
Alright, so good morning everybody. This is Larry Nelson. I'm just getting ready to head out to Mexico, Missouri. It's going to be about an 11-hour flight, but because of what's going on in California right now, with all the haze and smoke and everything, there's not going to be much to see. So we're going to head to Deer Valley Airport first, pick up my buddy Steve Freeman, and we're going to head to Payson and get breakfast. So let's go. Alright, we are ready to go. Summer traffic, experimental 918, Lima November, parking runway 35, summertime. Good to go. Yuma approach, experimental 918, Lima November.
Experimental 918, Lima November, Yuma approach, Yuma altimeter 2983.
2983, and I'm looking for flight following to Deer Valley is KDVT.
Experimental 8 Lima November, is clock 6704.
Eight Lima November.
Experimental 8 Lima November is radar contact 4 west to Yuma 1300.
1300 climbing 5500, 8 Lima November. Alright, so everybody, we're about halfway, a little more than halfway. We're just getting close to the Phoenix area. It's still smoky, it's still foggy, but you know what, I'm looking forward to this trip. And anyways, I'll catch you guys on the ground, but yeah, there's not much to see with all this smoke and haze. Alright, so again, catch you guys on the ground in Deer Valley. Ready to head out with Steve. Let me give you a little video of Steve here. There's Steve and his plane. We're both going to head up to Payson and get breakfast. So it should be fun. I'm going to have cameras rolling, so maybe we'll be able to see something on this one.
Hey everybody, welcome to Taylor, Arizona. Now, that last hour that I flew just jarred the heck out of me. You had to be at 8,500 feet for terrain clearance, plus it's, you know, kind of high-ish desert, thermals, summertime, just not a lot of fun. But let me show you around Taylor, because this place is pretty sweet. today. I'm in Taylor. I'm gonna stop off at my grandparents' house, kind of enjoy dinner, hang out with them a little bit, and then make my way north out to hopefully Texas, if not Dalhart. Maybe Liberal, Kansas tomorrow. So, and follow along and enjoy the trip out to the Mexico-Missouri fly-in. See you guys next time.